Hi, guys. Today I will show you how to make a dance remix for radio and clubs in Logic Pro X. I will use the original track by Nea Nio Garcia, Diablo. First, let's make a simple house drums. Next, let's make a simple bass line. Add some layers to make bass line more interesting. Add some effects. It's time to make an interesting melody for drop. Excellent. Done. Let's hear the final result. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.
Diablo, yeah, you come around when the lights get low, and I come think of the morning after.